Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kapwing background remover for product videos, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using Kapwing's background remover for your product videos, navigate to the Kapwing website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Choose to sign up using your email address or a social media account. Once you've created your account and logged in, look for the Create New Project option on your dashboard. Click on this option to open the project workspace. In the workspace, you'll see an option to upload your video file. Click on the Upload button and select the product video you want to edit. Once the video uploads, you will be taken to the editing interface. In the toolbar on the left, find the Edit option and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Background Remover tool. Click on the Background Remover to initiate the process. The tool will automatically analyze your video to detect and remove the background. This may take a few moments depending on the length of your video. Once the background has been removed, you can preview the changes in the main editing window. If you're satisfied with the result, you can further customize the foreground or background elements if needed. To make additional edits, explore other tools available in the editing interface. When you're ready to export your video, click on the Export button at the top right. Choose your preferred video quality and settings from the options provided. After setting your preferences, click the Export Video button to finalize the process. Wait for Kapwing to process your video. This may take a few moments. Once processing is complete, you will have the chance to review your final product. If you want to save or share your video, click the Download button. Your video is now ready for use in your projects or social media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.